Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to use createGlobalTempView in PySpark. So createGlobalTempView registers a data frame as a global temporary view. So that's very helpful because when we have that, then we can run the SQL queries on that temporary view. Unlike createTempView, the global temp view is accessible across different Spark sessions that I will show you as well. It is stored in the global temp database and can be queried from anywhere in the same Spark application. So that's very helpful if you are working with other engineers and you want you have work on some data frame and all that, and then finally you write the data to this global temp view, and then they can also query your global temp view to see the data by using SQL queries. Now here is our data, and we have a name and department and salary. So these are the columns we have right there, and we are creating a data frame. Spark.createDataFrame will create a new data frame called the DEF data frame, and then we have data. This data will be used, and here is the schema for our data frame. And now we can simply view our data if you like, and then next step is creating the global temp view from this data frame. So see, we have name, department and salary right there, and here I'm creating a global temp view. So see right there we have a def, so data frame is ready, and dot create or replace the global temp view, and this is the name of our global temp view called the employee global view. That once we run this one, is going to create a global temp view for us. So execute this and we should be good to go now. And then we can start writing our SQL queries and see the results. So here I created the result one data frame and spark.sql, and then I can write my SQL code here. So select start from global temp, that's a database, and this is our view, and we can see the results of this. So if I run this one, it's going to show me everything from my global temp view. That is the name of that one is employee global view. So see right there we are getting all the records because we didn't put any filter, where clause or anything. So here if we want to use some more filters, so result2 data frame is equal to spark.sql, and then you have your query here. Select department average salary as average salary from your global temp database, and then global temp view, and group by department, and then you are shown the results. So execute this, and now we can simply execute and see our summarized data. So we have departments here, and then we have average salary by department. So having the temp view really helps you to write all those SQL. If you need to join with the multiple temps and see the data, that will also make it very easy for the analysis. Now if I take this same query and open a new notebook, and that's going to be a new session right there, and we can let me go right there and paste my query. So let's execute our query in the new session, and here are the results. So you can see right there it is providing us the results. So once you can share the name of this view, global view, with the other employees or other colleagues, and then they can simply open any PySpark session and start working on that one, and see the data or analyze the data the way they want to see the data. After you have created some global temp views and you would like to see how many you have and if they are present or not, you can always run spark.sql show tables in global temp database, and then it will show you a list of those global temp views. Here we have only one, and that is displayed right there. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.